everyone, it's Miss Luciano, and I'm going to teach you how to log into Clever using your email or your Clever badge. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is open up Google or another web browser and type in clever.com/Boston Public Schools. The next page comes up and you will click on Login as a student. There are two options, log in with Google or log in with the Clever badge. So we're going to click Clever badge, and if you have a Clever badge, all you do is you hold up your QR code to the camera and voila, you're in. And here will be your page, your teacher page, and other resources from the district. You can scroll all the way down. I have a page for my students, so you just click on my name if you're my student. Click, and there are different resources that the students in my class use. Raz Kids is a very good one, lots of books. Okay, so now we're going to click Login with Google, and you are going to log in with your BPS email. I'm using mine. If you need yours, you can contact your teacher. Your password is your date of birth. Log in, and it will take you to the same Clever page as the QR code badge. Thank you for watching. If you need help with your login or email, please contact your teacher.